जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga. All glories to Sri Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Nectar of Srila Prabhupada instruction. Nectar of instruction by Srila Prabhupada. So, Prabhupada, someone asking, the question is, ki vichar gohon korli mangala? What is what path is to make our life auspicious, basically. ভগবানকে যিনি দেখিয়ে দিতে পারেন, যিনি 24 ঘন্টার মধ্যে 24 ঘন্টাই ভগবানের সেবা করেন, তার কাছেই ভগবানের সেবার কথা শুনতে হবে, তাহলেই মঙ্গল হবে। ভগবানকে যিনি দেখিয়ে দিতে পারেন, মানে who is eligible to show us Bhagavan, who is eligible to show us Bhagavan, भगवान की समान से काली भगवान, दुर्गा भगवान, शिव भगवान, देवी देवता भगवान, समान से some person is भगवान, like Bengal is भगवान अनुकूल ठाकुर भगवान, भगवान लोकनाथ, one person, भगवान. As it is not like that. It should be like this. Brahma says, Ishvara Parama Krishna. Brahma showing as Bhagavan. Shankara is chanting his name. He is chanting Lord's name. Brahma chanting Lord's name, Narada chanting Lord's name. So, who is eligible to show us the Bhagavan? Means how to reach Bhagavan, how to see Bhagavan. Bhagavan himself, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he described Harinam, Harinam, chant Harinam and back to Godhead. Harinam, 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 Iva Kevalam. So Bhagavan, who is actually here, meaning is this, who is able to show us Bhagavan, who is telling, who believe Krishna is Bhagavan, Krishnastu Bhagavana Swayam. Vasudev says, he is our Guru. If you follow his footsteps, then our life will be auspicious. ভগবানকে যিনি দেখিয়ে দিতে পারেন, যিনি 24 ঘন্টার মধ্যে 24 ঘন্টাই ভগবানের সেবা করেন, who is able to show us Bhagavan, show us. And who is serving Lord, Supreme Lord, in a day 24 hours, no any gap. তার কাছেই ভগবানের সেবার কথা শুনতে হবে. Only we can, we should listen, not we can. Only we should listen the glories of Lord Hari from that person. That means who is this person who is chanting or who is serving Lord 24 hours. in a day. Who is able to show us Bhagavan? Or who is able to take us to Bhagavan? If we listen the glories of Lord from Him, না তার কাছে ভগবানের কথা সেবার কথা শুনতে হবে। So if we listen or hearing the service of Lord from that person who is able to take us to Bhagavan, who is serving Lord 24 hours in a day, if we listen from him, তাহলেই মঙ্গল হবে। Then our life will be auspicious. Means, Prabhupada wanted to say, we have to be always in satsanga. Sat means eternal. Eternal association. Whose association? Pure devotee association. Why? Pure devotee, 24 hours, they are serving Lord. Pure devotee is showing us God. Therefore, we have to listen the service. What is the actual meaning of service? From that person, from that pure devotee. Then our life will turn full of auspiciousness. ভগবত ভক্ত সাধুগণ ভক্তি চক্ষে শ্যামসুন্দর কৃষ্ণকে হৃদয়ে দর্শন করেন। ভগবত ভক্ত সাধুগণ, sadhu means pure devotee. Sadhu means pure devotee. Pure devotee means who is fully dedicated towards Lord. In their devotional eyes, they are eligible to see Shyam Sundar, means Krishna, in their heart. এরূপ সাধুর সঙ্গ বা কৃপা হলে আমরাও হৃদয়ে ভগবানকে দেখতে পাব। আমরাও হৃদয়ে ভগবানকে দেখতে পাব। Means, if we have such association and mercy, if we have association and mercy from such sadhu, which such sadhu means who is able to see Shyam Sundar in their heart. If you have mercy and their association, then we are also eligible to see Bhagavan in our heart. Then we are eligible to see Bhagavan in our heart. হৃদয়ে ভগবানকে দেখতে পাবো। আমরা আরও একটু সময় নষ্ট না করে, আর একটুকু সময় নষ্ট না করে সতত ভগবানের সেবার জন্য ব্যস্ত হব। We should not waste our time, even one moment. Rather, we should be always busy. Always busy. For rendering service to Lord. So, but eternally we will serve Lord when we are not wasting even one moment and engaged eternally to serve Lord or make ourselves busy, eternally serve Lord. সৎসঙ্গে সেবা করতে হবে। সৎসঙ্গ means such this association is sat, eternal. So we should serve with such association, pure devotee association. সবসময় সৎসঙ্গে থাকলে সেবাবৃত্তি সেবা প্রবৃত্তি বাড়বে। Always if we in the association of pure devotee, satsanga, then our tendency to serve Lord will increase. Will increase. Right? ভগবান শরণাগত ভক্তের সকল বাঞ্ছায় পূর্ণ করেন। Supreme Lord Bhagavan fulfill all the desire of his dedicated devotees, fully surrendered devotee. Bhagavan always fulfill the desire of devotee who is fully dedicated, পূর্ণ শরণাগত, তাহাকে কখনো প্রত্যাখ্যান করেন না। which fully surrender, Supreme Lord never ever reject him. কৃষ্ণ সেই সত্য করে সেই মাগে ভৃত্য, with the code there, কৃষ্ণ সেই সত্য করে সেই মাগে যেই মাগে ভৃত্য। কৃষ্ণ always with such person who is begging Krishna, let me be your servant. With begging Krishna, let me be your servant eternally. We are begging something else. Therefore, instead of become servant, we make Lord Krishna become our servant. Right? Krishna, like your mother begging Krishna. Subhadra is too big now, please arrange one husband for her. Right? After 2-3 years, Lille. This is true or not? Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
true.
Or after 3 years, also Vasudha's marriage. Right?
She is in last.
Huh?
11th standard.
What?
She is studying in 11th standard.
So after 3 years, right? 5 years. So your mother begging to Krishna like that, huh? Not like a, please engage me in your services. Right? That means we are not trying to be his servant. In reality, we want to engage Lord for our services. Lord should do, right? Lord should do for us, like our Chandan, when he has no mobile phone was damaged, fully damaged. I think every day he went to Arati just to beg, Lord, please give me a mobile phone. Right? Yeah, this is the, according to our understanding, we are praying to Lord. But our Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharya, they taught us not to beg any material gain. Always engage to serve Lord and His devotees. Then we can go back to. Definitely Krishna will take us to his abode. Krishna wants to see our loving service attitude. Loving service attitude. Not like Krishna, I am serving you, please do in my favor. Such and such. Not like that. We should not do any business. I already explained. Nowadays, most of the devotees, they are moving. They actually not move. They want to move to Vrindavan and make a business there. So they want to live in Vrindavan, Holy Dham, or holy places. You can see inside Mayapur. Inside ISKCON Mayapur, outside ISKCON Mayapur, roadside, so many shops. Shops mostly made by devotees. Inside ISKCON, everybody devotees. But I know from my spiritual master, Holy Dham business is not matching material business. Holy Dham business is not matching for practicing devotional path. Why? Business means what? Like, in our Bengal, there is expression, Rath Dekha Kola Bacha. There is a fair of chariot festival. There is a big Rath Yatra festival, so many people gathering, and so I have so much banana. I will sell banana over there, then make money, and simultaneously I can also visit Rath Yatra festival. Two benefit, material benefit and spiritual benefit, both. If you want to cross the Ganga, two steamer side by side going, you keep one steamer, another steamer. Is it possible to go? Is it possible to go with two steamers, two legs, two steamer? Devamai?
I didn't understand the question.
There is two steamers, boat, engine boat. You are keeping two legs in two boat and cross the Ganga. Is it possible?
No. Not for me.
For everyone.
And I think I've seen it in an action movie before.
Huh?
I think I've seen it in a movie before, but
Yeah.
most people know.
Because with the material attachment, we cannot establish spiritual attachment. We have to take up one, either spiritual, either material. Am I clear? Like I can be sannyasi, and sometime also I can be also marry. Is it possible? Will you respect me? Will you honor me as a sannyasi? 1 year sannyasi, then 1 year marriage with a new wife. Possible? Prabhu. Similarly, Holy Dham business and chanting and practicing is not possible. Doing business and practicing the path of devotion.
Mayapur done like Mayapur, Mayat Nagari.
Ah.
Before only temples are there. Now whole building, whole area.
So many guest house, so many wine shops, so many prostitution.
Before no guest house, only temples are there. Nowadays, like Mayat Nagari.
So many prostitution. Each hotel, like each one prostitution. Prostitution. This is the holy Dham. Vrindavan was same thing. But I don't know, people say like that. That I don't know where. In my eyes, Vrindavan looks like pure. But people say everything available here. If you want to be drug artist, you have drug available. Everything available. If you want to get Western girl, Western prostitute, you can have that. So this is the Mayadevi, such a way enter to Holy Dham. So for sincere soul, they become confused. What to do? Should I stay in the jungle? In the jungle of this Maya's jungle, in holy place. One thing, it is holy place. Another thing, it is so much material enjoyment, facility here. Am I clear? So what to do? Close your eyes. What is going on, don't see. Close your ear. What people are speaking, bad speaking, don't hear. Close your lips, don't say anything. Don't see, don't hear, don't say. Engage fully. Where? To serve Lord. How? Chant Hari Naam with your best ability. What is going to happen? All anartha will pass away. All unwanted mundane desire will pass away. Definitely. So this is the ভগবান শরণাগত ভক্তের সকল বাঞ্ছায় পূর্ণ করেন, which fully surrender, what I explain. So Supreme Lord, fully surrender, Supreme Lord fulfilling their desire, all desire. এবং তাহাকে কখনো প্রত্যাখ্যান করেন না, never ever reject him or ignore him. Lord always in his favor. Krishna সেই সত্য করে যেই মাগে ভৃত্য. Whenever we are begging, please Krishna, allow me to be a servant, eternal servant, then Krishna reveal in his heart. Krishna reveal in his heart means whenever we are able to reveal that Krishna in our heart, that means we are accepting absolute truth. Krishna is embodiment of truth. Am I clear? Like you have no desire, the woman has no desire to go back to USA, right? Do you have desire to go back to USA, or do you have desire only to stay in Mayapur? That means Krishna already revealing in your heart. Therefore you like India, although everywhere dirty, not clean. Yeah? Yeah. Not clean. India, really, when I come from Whenever I go US abroad, when I coming back to India, I feel so dirty. At least 7 days need to adjust all this dirtiness. This is fact. When I coming back after 3-4 months to India for 15 days, 7 days I need to get adjustment to make my eyes set up with such dirty atmosphere. Otherwise I feel dirty, you can take a broom and clean it. What we clean? Everywhere dirty, dirt. Even in our temple, devotee don't mind if there is kitchen room, so much dirt, they don't mind. They are cooking there. Because they are habituated to be in dirt. Western people, from the school, from the parents, they knew you have to keep always clean, right? Am I right? I can give an example. In 1999, I went to Orlando first time. Orlando. Orlando means actually America, this state, actually Florida state, Orlando. The which home I stay, she is a devotee, she has a son. Is 5-6-year-old son, Radhe Shyama, his name. Her name Jashoda. Jashoda going to office, and she requests me, please look after Radhe Shyama. I will come back after 2 hours. Just 2 hours I have to go. Any Radha Shyama with me, we are not trained up, I just write something, that paper, that writing was not proper. Just take it and put the paper out of the window. The Radha Shyama asking me, Maharaj, can I go outside? And why? I have to do something in your favor. I said, what? What do you want to do? Then I go. Then he go and pick up the paper, put it inside garbage. From that day I learned it's not proper. Okay, our Indian culture not teaching us. No school not teaching us, home not teaching us. You can see here so many dirt. But I am long time here in India, I don't mind for that. Almost 10 months, when I left, I just came here February 12 from Australia. From now it is almost 11 months I am in India. So I am actually habituated to see all the dirt. But I never tolerate when I see kitchen is dirty. I feel whenever see the devotee are cooking inside dirty kitchen, how they cook for Lord in that dirty kitchen. Just simple things. Every day need to clean one soap powder and there's just rub, all the oily part can goes with fresh. We have to know duty room, kitchen room, both are same. Kitchen room, Radharani is cooking. Radharani is an object of our worship. Although Krishna is object of our worship, but Krishna says, Without Radharani's mercy, no one can get my mercy. Therefore, we have to always say, our worshipful God is Srimati Radharani. Am I right or wrong? Even the Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Dhamer Saros Purive Noyane Hoivo Radharo Dasi. Whenever we are able to see the inner pastimes of Holy Dham from our eyes, then we are eligible to become a servant of Radharani. When you are able to see all the secret pastimes of our divine couple in Holy Dham of Dhameshwar. Dhameshwar means who is Lord of the Holy Dham. Like Navadvip, Lord of the Navadvip Dham is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vrindavan, Lord of the Vrindavan is Radha Krishna. Brajeshwar Krishna, Brajeshwari Radharani. So, when you are able to see that past times, what they manifested, still going on, when you are able to see, when our eyes completely free from material dust, means no material desire, completely free from material recognition, appreciation, name, fame, distinction, desire. Am I clear, Devamai? Am I clear?
Yes.
So how to make the fresh eyes, no dot. There is a code, that Adapya sei lila kare Krishna Rai kono kono bhagavane dekhi bare paye ore andhabita chakshujar vishaya dhulite. Vishaya dhuli means material dust. Adapya, still now, that pastime what Lord manifested in Holy Dham, still going on. But only fortunate person able to see it. Which fortunate? Which completely become free from material recognition, appreciation, name, fame, distinction, desire. And who has that dust, of that desire, they are blind. Andhavrita chakshuja. Their eyes, still eyes is there, but they become blind. They are not able to see that. Why? Because of that material dust. So we are chanting to cure the dust. আমাদিগকে আশ্রয় দেয়া রক্ষা করার ক্ষমতা একমাত্র ভগবানেরই আছে। এতদ ব্যতীত আর কাহারও সে শক্তি নাই। বিশ্বাস দৃঢ় হলেই আমরা নির্ভয় নিশ্চিন্ত সুখী সফলকাম হইতে পারব। আমাদেরকে আশ্রয় দেওয়া রক্ষা করার ক্ষমতা একমাত্র ভগবানেরই আছে। Only Supreme Lord is eligible to protect us and give us his shelter. If someone say, I will give you my shelter, is it possible? Someone say, I will give you my shelter, That means he is not a Vaishnava. He is puffed up person. Someone say, like this in Bengal, there is a group named is Loknath Brahmachari. Their follower, they believe he is a God, Supreme Lord. But he also said, whenever you are in danger, no matter where, in water, in forest, under any circumstances. Just remind me. So just remember me. I will deliver you. Jole, jangole, onole, agune. Onole means agune. Jole means water. Onol means fire. Jungle means forest. If you are in danger, just remember me, I will deliver you. That is, he says. Therefore, people from Bengal, I think the half of the Bengal people, they believe he is God. So many followers. I mean, there's one more I saw, that is Anukul Thakur, they say, Anukul Thakur, he said, he is a God. Mahaprabhu incarnation. He also says, Ghote Ghote, Ghote Ghote, meaning all this holy dham, I am there. Huh?
Each disciple should do
Anyway, actually, if it is not prescribed by Lord himself and Brahma, Vyasdev, not prescribed, we should not believe it. We should not be cheated by them. You know, who is real devotee, they never say, take my shelter. They say, take shelter of Lord. Why? Real devotee, by nature, they are always humble. My spiritual master used to say, humility is ornament of Vaishnava practice. Like this Sukdev Prabhu has humility. It's like this. Never quarrel, right? Huh? Never quarrel. Subhadra pure, right? Never quarrel. Yes or no? Devamai pure, right? Never quarrel.
Just the opposite.
Opposite. Actually, this is for me, not for you. Anyway, so real devotee, they never ever say like this. Whenever you are in danger, in fire, water, jungle, please remember me, I will deliver you. Real devotee will say, please pray to Lord Nrsimhadev, he will deliver you. Or I will pray, I am praying on your behalf to Lord. You also pray.
In the Odisha,
Huh?
in the Odisha, there is like saying one Sarati Baba.
हाँ सर
He fell down now. When he came to
Prabhu, they are not devotee, they are fake.
he fell down now. Nobody no following. He is attached to one lady. They came the newspaper case in Hyderabad and put jail.
हाँ.
How they are thinking what some people he is become God.
Now there is a English verse, you can make fool some people for all time, all people for some time, but not all people for all time. Right? We can make some blind follower, I am a God, sannyasis, marriage, sannyasis. Yeah.
Shivananda Prabhu, who is from about, I went to his house, I saw a picture, I thought some of his relative, like handicapped one person is sitting. I asked your relative, he said, no, this is Shankar Baba. One cigarette if you give, all our work you can do.
What?
One cigarette.
So, such a cheating. Because this is the age of deception. Age of deception, always you have to know, Always people try to cheat us. I am also cheating you. I am not a sannyasi. I am not qualified to be sannyasi. But I am pretending like sannyasi. You are thinking, oh, Maharaj is a highly qualified, right? My fact is, I am not qualified. Huh? Anyway, if you are, Bhagavan always giving shelter. Bhagavan listen from that person who is his pure devotee. Vaishnavero avedane Krishna dayamay. A pure Vaishnava means pure devotee, Vaishnava. If they pray on our behalf, then Krishna becomes merciful to us. Krishna bestows his compassion to us easily. Huh? If someone asking, I will deliver you, it popped up. Pure devotee, I saw with the association of my Gurudev, he always say, Baba, pray to Lord Nrsimhadev. He will protect us. Someone, great scholar in our Gaudiya community, he says, Puri Goswami Maharaj doesn't know Tattva. He is establishing in the same temple Radha Gopinath, Gaur Gadadhar and Nrsimhadev, Rasavas. That's not proper. When I know about it, I got it. It's come to my ear. He's my senior, everything. And then I just passed my opinion. Please ask him. Actually, Prabhupada also made mistake. Prabhupada established Gaur Gadadhar and Nrsimhadev in the same temple. And below, Prabhupada's mother, Srila Prabhupada's mother, Bhagavati Devi Samadhi. This temple, temple under Prabhupada's mother, Bhagavati Devi Samadhi, and Gaur Gadadhar and Nrsimhadev in the same place. Then after that, he got so much problem in his life. Then he believed Nrsimhadev needs. But why Gaudiya Vaishnava need Nrsimhadev? Krishna is supreme. Krishna is supreme, but we believe it. Whatever we have faith, we accumulate for Krishna's services. In order to protect that faith, we always try to pray to Nrsimhadev. He will protect. Otherwise, Mayadevi, finish. Krishna is controller of everything. Krishna is source of all incarnation. It is true. But do we have that faith on Krishna? If you have faith on Krishna, why you are not chanting constantly? Why you are running behind name and fame? There is one devotee, there is 10,000 devotees, one place. Here one devotee, I invite you to speak here. You are a good speaker. Same time, huge pandal, 10,000 devotees waiting for you. 10,000 audience. Where you go? Where you go? Where you choose? Which place you choose? This is my question for you. One audience, only one person audience here. 1 kilometer higher, there are 10,000 audience waiting for you. There is one person. What you will do?
What I do?
Hmm.
I guess it depended on the circumstances.
When you feel 10,000 people will listen and they will see my capability. So this is my best benefit there. So go there. And here, one pure devotee want to listen from you. So always you have to depend in what he say, that's the circumstances. What is our inner feeling? Then you can understand. Really we are running behind name, fame, or really we are running behind Krishna. Am I clear?
You're saying the one person is a pure devotee?
Pure devotee,
Oh,
he
I
wants to
didn't catch
listen.
that. Yeah, that's obvious.
No.
Yeah.
But there is 10,000, very rich, economically very rich. When you go there, they will give you good credit. Also, 20 TV channel. Maybe 3-4 million people will watch what you speak. Where you choose. Same time, for your devotee asking, please, the woman speak. And they are asking at the same time, where you go?
Well, I know the right answer.
Huh?
I know the right answer.
What answer?
Obviously, you stick with the pure devotee.
Really? But I will choose that. Why? Because I am running your name fame. Like a pope came. Pope, like this. Pope. Pope.
Catholic folk.
Catholic Pope. Bangalore, Mr. Bangalore Pope came. Or New York City Pope came. And that is actually Queens area. But Brooklyn, near JFK Airport, there is a one devotee like Bhaktivinoda Bharati Maharaj came. So you don't know Bhaktivinoda Bharati Maharaj, you know he is a devotee. So where you choose to go? But Bharati Maharaj alone, coming alone. A Pope coming with millions of people.
I would choose my Gurudev.
He was not your Gurudev.
Huh?
That time he was not your Gurudev. You are not able to get initiation from him. So where you will go? I have seen,
I wouldn't have gone to him.
still, they're good. But I have seen many sannyasis, our Gaudiya sannyasis, ISKCON sannyasis, devotees, they are going to just standing beside Pope rally, Pope coming, so much people are surrounding, they are standing there, I have seen. And they are also requesting me, come to see Pope. I said, why? He is eating fish. He is eating fish. Dalai Lama once, they are inviting me to come and see the Dalai Lama. Why? He is eating meat. Why go there? Huh?
How do you go only supports cow?
Cow?
Yes.
But I don't know. I don't know that.
And lamb.
Huh? Huh?
Lamb also.
Lamb also. So this is real devotees, they never ever say take my shelter. Real devotee always say, take the shelter of Lord. In that way, Prabhupada says also. Bhagavan never ever Bhagavan, Supreme Lord, Bhagavan always giving us shelter. He is only eligible to give us shelter. Srila Prabhupada says. Prabhupada is a pure devotee. He says, I am a pure devotee, I can give you shelter. He never said like that. Etat batita apar kaharo kyo se shakti nai. There is no any other people have potency to give us shelter. Only Bhagavan gives shelter. এই বিশ্বাস দৃঢ় হলে আমরা নির্ভয় whenever we believe with firm faith, if we believe with firm faith, whenever we have firm faith on that Srila Prabhupada comments that Bhagavan only one is our shelter. Then we have no fear, no nischinta, no depression, no distress. Always become happy, sukhi, sapal kam, and win, and become success. Sapal means success, and we become success. If we believe that from the bottom of our heart, Bhagavan is shelter of everyone, there is no any other person exists to give us shelter, then our fear pass away, nirbhay, free from all type of depression, become happy and become success in our life. This is Prabhupada's instruction. But anyway, 9:05, I have to go. Today evening we have to speak about, still I am not finished, there is one paragraph still there. Mangalmaya Krishner Mongol দাতৃত্বে পরিপূর্ণ বিশ্বাস হলে আমাদের মঙ্গল নিশ্চয়ই হবে। Krishna is Mangalmaya. Krishna is the embodiment of auspicious. Always make everything surrounding him auspicious. Always Krishna make auspicious. Whoever come and contact with him. Whenever we believe it from the bottom of our heart, definitely, Mongol nishchay habe. We will be in auspicious atmosphere. Or we can make our life auspicious, definitely. ভগবত পাদপদ্মে পূর্ণ শরণাগত হলে যে কি মহামঙ্গল হয় তা ভাষায় ব্যক্ত করা যায় না। If we surrender absolutely to the lotus feet of Bhagavan, then we can have Mahamangal, great auspiciousness. It is impossible to express with any language. It is impossible to express ourselves with language, such Mahamangal, great auspiciousness. Just to surrender to Lord, fully surrender. But Lord say, if you love me, love my dog first, means his devotees. Understand? But devotees would not say, I am the person, I can deliver you. Never say. When devotees say, I will deliver you, that means he has some problem. Understand? I never heard my spiritual masters say like this to anyone. They say, Baba, all we are servant of Lord. My Gurudev used to say, all of you are, মানে গৌরবের আমাকে আপনারা গৌরবের পাত্র বলে মনে করে আমার কাছে এসেছেন। All of you are thinking I am eligible to become your well-wisher in every aspect. Therefore, all of you are coming to me. He never say I am a guru. গৌরবের পাত্র means I am your real well-wisher, therefore you are coming to me. You feel it, come to me. But I am not. কি হলো? যাই হোক, I have to go now. Translation, 1 hour.